Ever felt like you're talking but no one's listening? Imagine the daily hustle, blaring car horns, bustling coffee shops, crowded city streets. Amidst this chaos, there's a powerful tool often overlooked: silence. In a world brimming with endless noise, choosing not to speak can be more impactful than the loudest shout. Silence isn't just about quieting the surroundings, it's about amplifying your presence. When words proliferate, their strength wanes, but mastering silence? That commands attention and turns fleeting moments into opportunities for profound influence. Imagine harnessing this to transform your life. Stay tuned as we explore the untapped power of quiet moments. Now picture this. You're on the verge of an argument. The tension is palpable, but instead of escalating, you choose silence. You're at a dinner party, and someone makes a statement that rubs you the wrong way. It's easy to jump in armed with retorts, ready to defend your viewpoint. However, embracing silence offers an alternative route. By pausing, even just for a few moments, you give yourself time to process the comment, assess your emotions, and consider a response that might serve you better in the long run. This pause isn't just a break in conversation, it's a strategic tool. Think of it as counting to 10 in your head when you feel that rush of irritation or anger. This simple practice can prevent the kind of heated exchanges that lead nowhere but regret. By choosing to use silence wisely, you're not just avoiding arguments, you're also cultivating a persona of calm and considered responses, which often commands more respect than a quick, fiery temper. Silence in these moments isn't just golden, it's a shield against conflict. Imagine you're at your desk, surrounded by noise and distractions. How much more could you achieve in a haven of silence? In the hustle of daily life, the power of silence is often overlooked. Yet, it's a crucial element that can significantly enhance focus and productivity. Silence isn't merely the absence of sound, it's a strategic tool that can help you concentrate better, process information more effectively, and ultimately produce higher quality work. Consider the profound impact of reducing auditory distractions. In environments where silence is maintained, individuals often find that their minds are less scattered, which allows them to dive deeper into their tasks with greater concentration. This isn't just about comfort, it's about creating an optimal environment for the mind to function at its peak. To integrate silence into your work routine, start with simple steps like establishing designated quiet hours or investing in noise-canceling headphones. These actions aren't just about blocking out noise, they're about reclaiming your cognitive space. Embracing silence can transform a chaotic workspace into a productivity powerhouse. Think about a conversation with someone important. Are you truly listening or just waiting to speak? Let's delve into how the art of silence not only shows respect but also fortifies relationships. Silence, often underestimated, is a powerful tool in our interpersonal toolkit. Imagine you're listening to a friend share a personal dilemma. By choosing not to interrupt and instead providing space for them to express themselves, you convey empathy and respect. This active listening fosters a deeper connection, making the speaker feel valued and understood. Similarly, consider a professional scenario where a colleague presents a controversial idea. Instead of immediately reacting, taking a moment to pause and reflect on their words can lead to more thoughtful and productive responses. Such pauses not only prevent misunderstandings, but also promote a culture of mutual respect. In both cases, silence is not about the absence of speech, but about the presence of a genuine connection. It shows you care enough to consider what's being said rather than just planning your next response. Silence, when used wisely, builds bridges in relationships. Now picture yourself in a group. Who intrigues you the most? Often, it's the person who speaks less, but says more. In the realm of communication, silence is not merely a gap, it's a powerful statement. By mastering the art of selective speech, you elevate your personal value. Imagine the impact when you speak only to share something truly worthwhile. Suddenly, every word you say carries weight. Silence shapes an aura of mystery around you. It makes others lean in, eager to understand the thoughts behind your measured speech. This allure isn't just captivating, it's magnetic. By choosing your moments to speak carefully, you present yourself as someone with deep insight and self-control. This perception builds your mystique, enhancing your personal and professional relationships. Consider this: the most memorable people are those who are not just heard, but felt. By adopting a calm, composed demeanor and speaking with intention, you become one of these memorable figures. In the economy of words, sometimes less is indeed more. We've journeyed through the silent spaces that can powerfully echo in our lives. From sidestepping unnecessary arguments to boosting productivity, and from forging deeper relationships to elevating personal allure and mystery, silence has shown its profound impact. This isn't just about less talk, it's about more power in what is said and when it's said. Embrace the power of silence and watch the transformation unfold. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more insights. Share your thoughts or experiences with
What's your next
silence in the
step
comments
towards
below.
greatness? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's inspire each other to reach new heights. Until next time, keep striving, keep growing, and keep believing in the power of your dreams.